My name is Eduardo Fernandez. I work here at the University of Liège as a research engineer in the Aerospace and Mechanical Engineering department. Our mission here is to develop new tools to support the engineering design process. Here we work with topology optimization, which is a design tool that looks for the optimal material distribution within a given design space. Topology optimization looks for the optimal material distribution within a given design space to maximize some performance criteria under some design constraints. So in this way, numerically, we find the optimal shape of the structure and we guarantee a good performance of this component. So the contribution to the FAFil project is generate topology optimized designs adapted to the size of the deposition nozzle or to the size of the weld bed. So in that way, we can be sure that the optimized geometry will match or will be easier to manufacture by this direct material deposition process. The perspective in the FAFil project is to promote the use of this optimized tool to support the design process in the industry.